does SEO specialist uses Google Analytics for website content optimization? Please explain a bit how often we use Google Analytics. You can use as often as you like. Now, I'm not an SEO specialist. We mostly work with paid ads. But as far as I know, yes, analytics is critical because you see the audiences in there as to what you are getting. And for somebody who is an SEO specialist, I would also recommend that you look in Google Search Console, which is another Google product, completely free of charge, as always, to use from Google. And from there, you will see what's happening on the search page, what keywords, search terms you are getting, the click through rates, and so on. So, Google Search Console is very important if you are doing SEO.